Good day. What an amazing selection of wines for our spring cellar selection. Starting off with Brut 2024, a blend of Chardonnay and Pinot Noir made in the classic champagne method, but in South Africa we're not allowed to use the word champagne, so we call it Cap Classique. 3 white wines, 2026 Sauvignon Blanc, Coetzee 2025, and just to show you how well a Coetzee can mature, a 2018, a wine that will really show you how this amazing flavors of Sauvignon Blanc develop and evolve over time. 2 very exciting Pinot Noirs, 2012 and 2023, a brand new release, and also one to show you how well the wine can mature. Of course, it's wonderful nowadays for Pinot Noir to be slightly chilled in a fridge, and all the way down to 15 degrees Celsius, and it will really sort of enhance the fruit. And then ending off with the 2020 Syrah and a 2023 vineyards that grow on 1,000 meters above sea level, growing in continental conditions. It's 2 amazing peppery style modern Shirazes with low alcohols. Guys, enjoy it. Prepare yourself for great food. South Africa can provide you with such an amazing choice of food, and I want to be brave to say any of these wines will fit any of your food.